Today we will today I will teach you project number 51, that is browser app. So here these are instructions and we have to create three screens. So here this is instructions and project template is also given. And here we will work on Thunkable. So today we will not work on code.pen. Today we have to work on Thunkable only. Now we will go on Thunkable. Yes. So here I have already done my project, but here some errors are there while live testing it. So we will solve it. Now here this is welcome screen and this is browser screen, this is cartoon screen and this is social media screen and this is search engine screen. So we will work from welcome screen. Now here browser app. This is fine, but we will delete this label. We will delete it. Yes. And here in welcome screen we will give a button by name browser screen. So we will take a button. Yes, and here we will type browser screen. Then in code block we have to type as navigate to browser screen. So it will be navigated here. Now here I will type as browser screen. Browser screen. And if we want, we can change the background color also. Again I will take a button. Text will be cartoon screen. Cartoon screen. Now here I will change the background color. Yes. Now again I will take a button. And it will be social media screen. So text will be social social media screen. Yes, and background color will be green, light green. Now again we will take a button. And here it will be search engine screen. This is search engine screen. Here we will type search this screen. Search engine screen. We'll change the background color. Yes. Now, okay, I will change it to red and here. Yes. Now our welcome screen. This is welcome screen. So if we will click on browser screen, it will be navigated to browser screen. We will click on cartoon screen button. It will be navigated to cartoon screen. So welcome screen is done. Welcome screen is not too much designing part is done. We will go on browser screen. So here we have taken, this is browser screen. We have taken a column, and inside column we have taken text input 1. Hint is type here, and button 1. Then below text input 1 we have taken a button 1. ID is button 1, and text is go. And below that we have taken web viewer. So like if I'm in cartoon screen, so if I'm clicking the image of YouTube, so it will be navigated to browser screen, and YouTube link, whichever YouTube link we will copy, it will be displayed here like hint, and here YouTube will be open in web viewer. So we have taken a web viewer, and for taking the web viewer, first of all we have to hide the column that we have taken here in upper part. Column 2 we have to hide, then only we can take web viewer, otherwise it will be not able to take. Now browser screen is done. Now we will come to cartoon screen. This is cartoon screen, and here we have taken a column, then we have taken row 1. Inside row 1 we have taken label 3, and we have changed the background color also. And here this is label 3. Text will be YouTube, and we have taken beside label 3 we have taken an image. Image is YouTube. So how to get image will be here. If we want YouTube image, so I can just search youtube.com, and or I can search as YouTube. Here I will search as YouTube images or YouTube logo. See, from here we can copy the image address, whichever image we want. Now here we can take image also and button also. Instead of image I can take button, and from button how image will become. In button, when we will take a button, there will be option for background picture. Inside background picture we can upload this YouTube image. So I have taken image, so it is fine. Image also, we can take image also and button also. Now we have taken another row. This is row 2, and this is label 4, and text is baby TV. So in cartoon screen we can give any cartoons, any cartoon channels like Nick Cartoon Network or Baby TV. So here the image is there. This is image 2, and now this is row 3, and this is label 5. Text is Cartoon Network, and I have taken an image. Image picture is Cartoon Network picture channel. Now this is row 4, and this is label 6. Text is Nick, and image is also there. So cartoon screen is done now. Now we will come to social media screen. This is social media screen where it will come Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. etc. So here we have, it is same procedure is there. First of all we have to take column, then we have to take row. Only text and image will be changed. Label is label 7, and text is Facebook. Here is image, that is image 5. This is row 6, and this is label 8. Text is Instagram, and here this is picture, image 6. This is row 7, and this is label 9. Text is Twitter, and now beside it there is image. Now we have taken one more row, that is row 8, and then we have taken label 10. Text is Pinterest, and here image is there. This is image 8. So how to do? So this is, first of all we have to take 4 columns. Not like that we have to do, we have taken one column, then we have given label and image, then we are taking another row. First of all we have to take 4 rows, then we have to give all the label texts and we have to give images. Now only this much social media screen is there. Now we will come to search engine screens. Search engine screen. Now this is all search engines where it will come Google, Yahoo, WhatsApp. So here this is row 9 and here this is label, that is label 11. So here we will give the text as Google. Google. Now here image is there, that is image 9. This is row 10 and this is label 12. Here we will type as Yahoo and this is image 10. This is row 11. This is label 13 and here I will type as WhatsApp. Now this is image. So here this is search engine screen is done. Now designing part is not too much, only now designing part is done. Now we have to do the blocks part, and not blocks part is also too much. We will come to blocks. So when browser screen, button 2 will click. When button 2 click, control, we will go on and we will take this first block, navigate to browser screen. Now this is button 3, then 4, 5. This is button 3. So we will take button 3. When button 3 click, I will go on control, I will take this first block, navigate to cartoon screen. Now when button 4 click, navigate to social media screen. Now when button 5 click, navigate to search engine screen. Now this is done. Welcome screen code is done. See, welcome screen code, how much is there? It will take only 2 minutes for doing the blocks part of welcome screen. Okay, so now welcome screen code is done. We will come to browser screen. We will come to blocks. So here we have to initialize app variable URL to null. Null means empty. Now when button 1 click, set web viewer URL to text input 1's text. So we have taken a web viewer 1. So web viewer 1's URL will become, if I will type in text input 1 YouTube URL, I have copied and I have pasted it. So it will, in web viewer, it will open me like Google. If I have copied the YouTube, so it will open me YouTube, text input 1's text that I have given. Now when browser screen opens, if app variable URL is equals to not null, it means app variable URL. It means text input 1's URL is not null. Any URL I have given like Google, Yahoo, WhatsApp or YouTube or any. So set web viewer 1's URL to app variable URL. It means whatever URL we have given in text input 1, that URL it will be opened like YouTube. So it will open YouTube in web viewer 1. Now only this much block is there for browser screen. Now this is cartoon screen. So here when image 1 click, so image 1 is there of YouTube. So when image 1 click, set App variable URL to YouTube URL I have copied. Navigate to browser screen. I can give URL like this also, in this way also, and in this way also, which they have given in instructions like this. Okay, I will try once like this. Open link and error. Image one click. Oh, I will go on control. So if I have to take open link and from an error, yeah, open link and error. Now only I will give this, and here I will attach navigate to browser screen. Here I will copy the YouTube URL. YouTube. I will copy this URL. Okay, it is copying this also. I will delete this. And here I will paste it. And from here I have deleted. And once we will check whether it is working. See, it is navigated here. It came here. We will close this. Now we will like this work. Now here this is baby TV. So when image 2 click, open, I will go on control and I will take this last block, and here I will search baby TV. Baby TV. And I will copy this URL. So see, when I am copying this URL, so it is copying this also, baby TV, and we don't need this, so we will delete it. Here I will paste it and I will delete from here. Yes. बाहर जाओ. And here I will go on control and I will take this first block, navigate to browser screen. Now this is done, image 2. Now we will see for image. So here this is image 3, Cartoon Network. Okay, image 3, I will go to image 3. I will go on control and I will take this last block. Here I will search Cartoon Network. I will copy this link. And here I will paste it. I will delete it from here. Yeah. Navigate to browser screen. Now it is Nick. Nick is that. This is image 4. When image 4 click, now I will go on control. I will take this last block and I will take and here I will type Nick. I will copy this and here I will paste it, and I have to delete it from here. Yeah, and navigate to browser screen. Oh, navigate to browser screen. Okay, so cartoon screen is done. Now we will work for social media screen. So here Facebook is there. This is image 5. When image 5 click, I will go on control and I will take this last block, open link and error. Here I will type Facebook. I will copy this and here I will paste it and I will delete it from here. Yes, and navigate to browser screen. Here I will take navigate to browser screen. Now when Instagram image 6. Now when image 6 click, open link and error I will take. I will go on control and I will take this last block and here I will search for Instagram. And I will copy this. And here I will paste it. And navigate to browser screen. Now when image 7 will click, this is Twitter. When image 7 click, open link and error, open link on error, I will copy the URL of Twitter. Now see, it opens Twitter. Okay, I will copy this link. And here I will paste it. Navigate. Now I will take navigate to browser screen. Now the last one, this is Pinterest. Image 8. Now I will take image 8. Open link on error I will take. Here I will copy the Pinterest URL. Yeah, I will copy this. And here I will paste it. Then I will delete from here. Yes, and navigate to browser screen. And navigate to browser screen. Now image 8 is done. Now this social media screen is done. This is last screen, search engine screen. Now this is Google. Image 9. When image 9 click, I will go on control and I will take this last block, open link on error. I will go on Google. Here I will type Google. I will copy the link. And here I will paste it. and I will go on control and I will take navigate to browser screen. Now this is Yahoo image 10. When image 10 click, open link on error. I will search here Yahoo and I will copy this link and here I will paste it, and from here I will delete. Now I will navigate to browser screen. Now I will go on design and I will check WhatsApp image 11. Okay, WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp. Now when image 11 click, open link on error. I will go on WhatsApp and here I will search as WhatsApp and I will copy this link and here I will paste it and I will delete from here. Now it will navigate to browser screen. Okay, so here all screens are done properly. Now if we want, we can add one more thing in every screens. Okay, we will add. It is, I will take button below web viewer and here I will change background color. Here I will type back to home page, like that. I will type back to home page. Back to home page. So when we will click on back to home page, it will be navigate to welcome screen. So from here we can again choose any screen. So I will give this in every screens. This button I will give in every screen. Back to home page. I will go on cartoon screen also. I will give. In last I will give image 4. For that I have to, I think, hide row 4. Then only. Yeah. Here I will type back to home page. Background color I will change it. Yes. Now here on social media screen I will hide row 8 and here I will give button back to home page. Back to home page. I will change the background color. Now I will give for search engine screen. I will give button. I will hide row 11 and then I will give button. Here also I will type back to home page. Back to home page. Background color I will change it. Yeah. So I will go on browser screen. The ID is button 6. So when button 6 click, I will go on control and I will take navigate to welcome screen. I will go on cartoon screen. The ID is button 7. When button 7 click, I will go on control, and here I will take navigate to welcome screen is already there. Yeah. Now I'll go on social media screen. ID is button 8. When button 8 click, yeah, when button 8 click, I'll go on control and I will take this first block, navigate to welcome screen. Now this is the last screen, search engine screen. ID is button 9. Yeah. When button 9 click, navigate to welcome screen. Okay, so here all blocks and designing and blocks part is done, core part. Only we have to live test it. So first, before live testing it, we will hide all the rows. Now I will hide row 6. I will hide row 5 and column 4 and social media screen. Then here I will hide row 4 and row 3, then row 2, then row 1, then column 3, then cartoon screen, and then I will hide column 2 and then browser screen, and then I will hide column 1 and I will hide welcome screen. Now see, all screens only are left: welcome screen, browser screen, cartoon screen, social media screen, search engine screen. Now we will live test. So I will click here browser screen. Yeah, back to home page. Cartoon screen, I will click here YouTube. Oh, I will BBTV. Yeah, Cartoon Network. Yes, and Nick. Okay. Now back to home page. Social media screen. Facebook, Instagram, I will check once. Yeah, Instagram and Twitter. Okay, and Pinterest. And then back to home page. Search engine screen. Google, then Yahoo, then WhatsApp, then back to home page. Oh yeah, it's working properly according to instructions. So here our project is done. It is working properly, and uh, and I will click on share, and we can live test how it is working our app. We will live test. We can live test from here also, or we can preview. We can do from here also. See, and if we will click on edit, it will be back. Now I will click to share, generate link, I can copy the link also. I will copy link, and here submit your project. I will paste it, and I will click. If I will click on submit project, it will be submitted. And to see our project, we can see from here open link. So we will meet on project 52. So bye bye guys.